I stand in the heart of Accra, where flags once waved for an empire, and where a nation learned to raise its own. I am the Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum, Freedom, Unity and Eternal Legacy. Here, on the Old Polo Grounds, March 6, 1957, at long last, the battle has ended. And thus, Ghana is free forever. The ground beneath me felt the first heartbeat of independent Ghana. The place of colonial parades became sacred soil. Memory replaced marching and pride replaced rule. After Dr. Kwame Nkrumah passed in 1972, he rested first in Accra. 20 years later, in July 1992, I rose to receive him, commissioned on Republic Day under President Jerry John Rawlings. Look at my form, Italian marble, endurance carved into stone, my shape, an upturned sword, and a can sign of peace, says the battle has ended and unity begins. Water surrounds me. Fountains and pools, rebirth, purity, and life that never stops flowing. And above, the black star, identity, leadership, and hope for a continent on the move. Walk my 5.3 acres. At my core, a marble tomb, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and since 2007, his wife, Fatia, together forever, reflecting the bond between Africa and the world. In my museum, turn fragile pages of history, books, letters, photographs, manuscripts, gifts from leaders, Mao Zedong, Fidel Castro, Julius Nyerere. At my entrance, Nkrumah stands in bronze, kente draped, arm raised, forward, always forward, white doves and dancing fountains whisper the same, peace, purity, freedom. I am not just a resting place, I am a pulse. Nkrumah's vision traveled beyond Ghana, fueling independence across Africa, shaping the OAU, today's African Union. Over 100,000 people visit me every year. Students, historians, leaders, dreamers. They don't just look, they listen. In 2023, I was renewed. Lights, brighter paths, clearer archives, digitized exhibits, interactive. By my eternal flame of African freedom, I keep watch. I keep his words alive. The independence of Ghana is meaningless unless it is linked up with the total liberation of the African continent. I am marble, water, star and story. I am Ghana, remembering, and Africa becoming. When you walk my corridors, you don't just visit history, you carry it forward.